Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel. This is Princess Kitchen. In today's video I am sharing with you guys how I make my simple bofrot or puff puff. Here are the ingredients. I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'm gonna sift this to get all the unwanted particles from it. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1 tablespoon of yeast, instant yeast to it. And I'm going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to add my salt. This is about a 1/4 teaspoon or a pinch of salt. And I will mix that too. Then after, I'm going to create a well in the flour. And I'm going to go ahead and add my margarine. You can use margarine, you can use butter to it. This is 1 tablespoon of margarine. And I'm going to mix this with the flour. Just mix it, make sure everything is well cooperated. Now it's time to add my warm water to it. This is 2 cups of water. And I'm going to add this to the flour and mix it thoroughly. You are mixing without leaving any lump. I will still add 1 more cup of water to it and mix it very well. And this should be enough. The water should be enough for your 5 cups of flour. Unless you want it to be too soft, then you can add 1 more cup to it. But this is the exact texture I want, so it's perfect now. Now you can see everything is well mixed without any large lumps in it. So guys, after mixing everything without any lumps in it, I'm gonna clean up and then cover up and leave it for about 2 to 3 hours for it to double in size or even triple in size. Now if you're in Ghana or anywhere in Africa, we have a lot of sun, so you can just leave it in the sun and that will be perfect. Now this is after 2 to 3 hours. I left this in the oven and now you can see the bubbles and everything, and this is what we are looking for. So now I've washed my hands and I'm going to take some of the bubbles out of it. Now even after doing this, you can still leave it for it to rise up again if you want to. But if you don't want it that way, now it's good for you to fry. I hope you have your rice porridge, your hausa cocoa, your ice kenke and everything ready. Yes, you can see everything is going well. Bofrot tonight akona nkasa. Ana mo amuhune say enya akono. Aya akona nkasa. Ayen kruwa fe. This is what you want. Yeah, crying baby a restaurant and our Princess Kitchen. Love it. So more dream who say, "Yemi restaurant." Oh, yeah, we can do this. We can do it. You know, this is a big or huge business that you can do. If you don't have any work to do, just look at your environment, look around. You can, or you may notice that in the area, if you need something like this, you have to walk about 1 kilometer before you get something like this to buy. Why don't you do this in your area? Trust me, people will buy. We're a good business pass, so just try your hands on it, okay guys? Yeah, this is another business that you can do. Now, mo checking is saying, mo is saying, inko ye. Ah, I fe. I akono. This is what we are looking for. Yes. I love what I'm seeing, guys. And guys, thank you all, my subscribers, my followers on Instagram and Facebook. Hey guys, thank you so much for the love and support, giving me positive comments to move me forward to give you more delicious recipes like this. Ha ha ha, we are done. And what the mama mean be back munchiremo. At the end of and this is what we are looking for. It's so perfect. The inside is so fluffy, you know. Oh my god, it's burning me. So guys, let me eat this, okay? I will see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed.